Well, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts and ideas with us. And with this, we move on to the announcement of Scotch Awards for this year. We are graced by Dr. M. Ramachandran, Dr. Ramachandran's presence, as well as Mr. Samir Kochhar, Chairman Scotch Group. So, the first announcement of Scotch Crucible Award, the honorable mentions you heard through the day. This goes to the aspirational district, Dhalai, for a reduction of percentage of malnourished children by supplementation of nutritional diet and proactive treatment in NRC and local PHCs. Dr. Brahmneet Kaur, District Magistrate and Collector. So, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next. The recipient is Mr. Namit Mehta, District Collector and Magistrate from District Administration, Jaisalmer, for the project Samridh Jaisan Abhiyan. Dr. Naval Kishore Chaudhary, District Magistrate from District Administration, Kaimur, for Yuva Rujhan. He was here with us a little while ago. I don't think we do see the video, but only a person taking a picture of the announcement being made. Well, congratulations to everyone, including District Administration Kaimur.
Is there?
Mr. Sorry?
Is there? Kaimur.
We move on to District Administration Mon. For financially inclusive Mon, Mr. K. Thawasilan, Deputy Commissioner. Let me go back.
I think he's just come.
Yeah, he's just come. So can we have your video? Yes. So District Administration Kaimur, congratulations for winning the Scotch Crucible Award for your project Yuva Rujhan.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. And thank you all the panelists, sir. Again, have a nice day, sir.
Congratulations to you. So, District Administration Mon for financially inclusive Mon, Scotch Crucible Award. So we now move on to the Scotch Award announcements for the small and medium enterprises achiever. The silver in this award category goes to the Department of Industries and Commerce, Government of Haryana, for MSME ecosystem transformation in Haryana, Mr. Jaideep Kapoor, Additional Director.
Congratulations.
Is he there? Yes, Mr. Kapoor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Grateful. I, on behalf of the state government, I really thank all the panelists.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I now invite Mr. Mitesh Lokwani, Managing Director of HLBS Tech Private Limited, Silver Award in the Achiever category.
Congratulations.
Mr. Varun Dabriwal, Director of Bharat Impex Private Limited, Silver in Achiever.
Congratulations, Varun.
Varunji, you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, I'm audible?
Yes.
Thank you everyone and the team of Scotch for bestowing the award on me. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Kunal Vaid, Director, Resham Sutra Private Limited. We heard him speak in the morning. He bags a Silver Award in the Achiever category.
Congratulations, Kunal.
Thank you everyone at Scotch. Very happy to receive this award on behalf of the entire team of Resham Sutra and all the rural and women handicraft workers.
The next award goes to Mr. Saurav Sinha, co-founder and managing director of Brainium Information Technologies Private Limited, Silver.
Congratulations, Saurav.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's there. I can hear He's there.
Can we have his video?
Yeah, hi, Saurav. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It was pleasure and great thank you for providing the opportunity.
Congratulations. I now have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Amit Gupta, Director of Indocan Honey Private Limited, the winner of Gold in Achiever.
Congratulations, Amit. Unmute, please.
You have to unmute yourself.
Thank you very much for the award and the great encouragement for small companies like us who are working towards creating a better participative ecosystem for all of us Indians to share.
Congratulations to you. And Mr. Naveen Goswami, Director Technical of Mago Thermal Private Limited, Platinum in the Achiever category.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Naveenji.
Thank you, Coach. And it's an honor to have this award on behalf of Mago Thermal. Thank you. So nice of you, sir.
Congratulations once again. Now in the district response category, the silver goes to Gurugram Metropolitan City Bus Limited. Ms. Sonal Goyal, Chief Executive Officer, Gurugram Metropolitan City Bus Service.
Congratulations, Sonalji.
Congratulations. ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhusharanji. Thank you.
The next silver award goes to the district administration Nilgiris, Miss J. Innocent Divya, District Collector. Please unmute yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a great privilege. Thank you very much. Thank you all the panelists.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We move on to the next in the district response to COVID category. The silver award goes to Vizianagaram, Dr. Jawaharlal.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. The award goes to entire team. Actually, the district Vizianagaram, homogeneous team.
Congratulations.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The next silver award in the district response
Silver award,
goes to Dr. Satyendra Singh, Collector and District Magistrate, District Administration, Chadol. Please unmute yourself, Dr. Singh.
Congratulations, Satyendra Singh.
You are muted. Please unmute yourself. We couldn't hear. Yes, now we can.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. We have did our efforts and you have recognized this. Thanks. Yeah.
Congratulations. I now invite District Panchayat Dahod, Mr. Rachit Raj, District Development Officer, in the silver category. The gold in district response to COVID goes to District Administration, South Delhi, Dr. B.M. Mishra, District Magistrate. Congratulations.
Thank you. My job is not yet over. I'll try my best to keep Delhi safe.
Congratulations, Mishra ji. You have a very tough fight ahead. All the best. God's blessings be added to your work.
Thanks, sir. I will try my best. I will try my best to keep Delhi safe.
Excellent. The district governance. The silver goes to District Administration Nilgiris to Ms. J. Innocent Divya.
Thank you very much, sir, for honoring this award again. It's a real honor and a privilege. Thank you very much.
I now invite Mr. Dheeraj Kanjibhai Parekh, District Development Officer, to receive the silver award on behalf of the Health Department District Panchayat Patan for the project Spandan. Mr. Arun Dongre, District Collector, Nanded, for creating cancer awareness and early detection in Nanded District for cancer control. Silver Award.
Congratulations, Arunji. Please there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Coach.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Dr. T.G. Vinay, District Magistrate and Collector, Madurai, for Kudi Maramathu, Silver. the district governance, the next silver goes to district administration, Aryalur. For skill development, SBI Rural Self-Employment Training Institute, Mr. R. Velumani, Chief Manager and Director, SBI RCT. Deepak, can we spotlight the gentleman? He's with us.
This video is not there.
Can you hear it?
I now invite Dr. S. Satish Kumar, District Training Team Medical Officer from District Administration, Aryalur, for Rural Development, Water Management, Silver. Please unmute yourself. Yes. Would you like to say something? Well, congratulations to you. And move on to the...
Hello? Am I audible?
Yes. Yeah, barely audible, but yes. Please go ahead.
We have introduced an idea.
Well,
Any kind of
congratulations. And we move on to the next award, which goes to Mr. Habib Basha, Joint Director of Agriculture from the Department of Agriculture, District Administration, Anantapuramu, for YSR Raithu Bharosa, Silver.
Congratulations, Mr. Basha.
The next one.
Move on to the next, and that goes to Mr. Siddharth Kaushal, Superintendent of Police from Prakasam District Police for Project Abhay. District Governance in the gold category. Next award in the gold category goes to the District Administration Theni for Water Conservation and Water Management Project.
So thank you, Prakash.
Pallavi Baldev.
Prakasam district is there.
Prakasam is there. Let me first finish with the Theni district and we go back to Prakasam. Congratulations, Pallavi ji. You are muted. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks to all those who voted for us. It's a real big honor for all of us, the entire district administration team. It only encourages us and motivates us to do better and better in the coming days. Thank you so much once again.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
We go back to Prakasam District Police. I was told that Mr. Siddharth Kaushal is there.
Sir, thank you, sir. On the behalf of the SP, sir, sir, is a video conference meeting, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations to you. Kindly do convey our regards.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So the next gold award goes to the District Rural Development Agency, Thoothukudi, for elimination of open defecation. Mr. Sandeep Nanduri, District Collector.
Thank you, sir. Thank you on behalf of our district for this honor and privilege. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sandeep ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The next gold in the district governance goes to District Administration Gurugram for improvement in service delivery metrics. Mr. Amit Khatri, Deputy Commissioner.
Congratulations.
Mr. Arun Mahesh Babu, District Development Officer, District Panchayat, Ahmedabad, for comprehensive efforts to improve sex ratio. Gold Award.
Congratulations, Mr. Babu.
You are muted. We can't hear you, Mr. Babu.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you very much to the sports team. I would be happy to convey this message to the entire health team because it was a comprehensive effort. So thanks again to the sports team.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Boya Surya Subbarayudu, Project Director, APMIP. District Governance Gold Award goes to District Administration, Anantapur, for Andhra Pradesh Micro Irrigation Project. Is he there? Mr. Gandham Chandrudu, Collector. from District Rural Development Agency, Society for Employment Generation and Enterprise Development in Andhra Pradesh, CDAP, for the project Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, Gold Award. Can we have Mr. Chandrudu's video?
It's not there.
Mr. Vemula has been spotlighted. Deepak, Mr. Vemula has been spotlighted. Kindly remove the spotlight from Mr. Vemula.
Remove, sir.
The next gold award in the district governance category goes to the Collector Office, Satna, for development of school campus, construction of boundary wall and approach road rooms, and providing fans and lights. Mr. Ajay Katesaria, Collector.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ कलेक्टर महोदय। व्यस्तता होने के कारण कलेक्टर महोदय ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए हैं। निश्चित रूप से ये सतना जिले के लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है। मैं अपने कलेक्टर महोदय की तरफ से एवं सतना जिले के समस्त आम जनमानस की ओर से हृदय से बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Congratulations.
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको, मनोहर जी।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
And in the district governance, our highest category, platinum, goes to the District Panchayat Ahmedabad for Mission Indradhanush, Mr. Arun Mahesh Babu, District Development Officer.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Congratulations. Wonderful job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. It's been overwhelming day for the entire health team. I hope their hard work has paid tribute to it. Thank you.
Now in the aspirational districts category, the first silver goes to District Administration Kandhamal for implementation of delivery van, bike, ambulance and Janani Auto to improve maternal health. Dr. Brunda D, Collector and District Magistrate.
Congratulations.
Next silver in the aspirational district goes to Health and Family Welfare Department, District Administration Chamba for Telehealth Services, Dr. Rajesh Guleri, Chief Medical Officer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much to the Scotch Group, and we are really honored. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
The next silver goes to the District Administration Siddharth Nagar for upgradation of government schools, Dr. Biswas Sandeep, Additional Statistical Officer. District Administration Shravasti for building as learning aid operation Kayakalp. Silver Award, Ms. Yashu Rustag, District Magistrate.
Congratulations.
In the aspirational districts, the silver goes to District Panchayat Dahod for Apni Ma project, Mr. Rachit Raj, District Development Officer.
Congratulations.
The next silver award in the aspirational districts category goes to the District Administration Gadag for Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Mr. Rudrakshepa TS, Joint Director of Agriculture. You have to unmute yourself. We won't be able to hear you.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. I heartily thankful to all the jury members and thanks to Scotch Board on behalf of my district administration and the Department of Agriculture. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. In the aspirational districts, the gold award goes to Vizianagaram for water conservation, Dr. M. Hari Jawaharlal, District Collector and Magistrate. You have to unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a great honor to the Vizianagaram district and the efforts made by the entire team, the district, district officers team. Now the responsibility has gone up and we have to do much more work in coming days. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The district administration Khunti for Boriband hold award in the aspirational districts category. Nikhil Tripathi, aspirational districts fellow.
Murli gar time ki vachindi idi.
Do we have Mr. Tripathi with us?
No, sir.
Mr. R.K. Sharma, Deputy Commissioner from the district. Oh, we have joined by Nikhil Tripathi, Gold Award winner.
Congratulations, Nikhil.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. On the behalf of District Collector Khunti, we have received this award. Thank you very much for your support. And I have with me Ajay Sharma ji. Again, we have been waiting for one day. We are very hopeful that we will get the award.
अजय जी बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको. बहुत अच्छा किया आपने.
आपने सिर्फ सुबह से ही इंतजार नहीं किया, आपने 6 महीने से इंतजार किया इस पल का.
यहाँ की जनता जो मिलके एक साथ काम की सर प्रोजेक्ट में, ये उसकी जीत है. जिला प्रशासन के साथ ये खूंटी के जिले की जनता की. थैंक्स अ लॉट. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Next one, sir.
In the aspirational districts, the highest award, platinum category, goes to District Administration Nabrangpur for farm-based scientific and technological intervention for socio-economic development, Dr. Ajit Kumar Mishra, Collector cum District Magistrate. Congratulations, Mr. Mishra. Dr. Mishra, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir. It's really a pleasure and great honor. And it is a team effort, and will definitely encourage us to work more for the people and for the needy and the stakeholders.
Congratulations. The next platinum in the aspirational districts goes to District Administration Narmada for livelihood enhancement of farming community through horticulture initiatives. Dr. Smita Pillai, Deputy Director of
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And our DM sir is with us. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It is a great honor for us and motivational too. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to you all. And now, for the Scotch Challenger Award of the Year, this goes to Dr. Sandeep Mittal, Additional Director General of Police, for his contributions to cyber security.
स्कॉच ग्रुप का बहुत बहुत आभार. हमारी एक छोटी सी कोशिश को रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए और इतना बड़ा सम्मान मुझे और मेरे सहयोगियों को देने के लिए हार्दिक धन्यवाद.
Congratulations to you. So this brings us to the end of this year's Scotch Awards announcement. And